Yeah, I wanted that soldier construct horn. Okay. Need to get the hell back up there. What else do I got? Some schematics. We have a super spring. We do. Oh shit. Hold still, hold still. Don't roll down the mountain. Three springs built into one. A marvel of incredible engineering ability. And look at that. Almost made it up to the top. Yeah, Copenhagen, once you start getting a lot of schematics and having a big, like, kind of catalog of cool creations, then it's a game changer. Gotta get up there now, huh? There's still a guy lurking over here. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Oh, I want to do that. Yeah, more energy cells. I've been in the depths a lot, so I've got a bunch of energy cells. My rock hammer's busted. Alright, we need to go up there. I think it's time for rocket on shield. Oop, wrong thing. Wow, with that white Baco horn, that does a lot of damage. Zonai devices, rocket, use. Now we fly. Whoa! That's so awesome. How useful. Hello, sir.
Oh.
Tulin.
Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be platforming, baby. Let us fly. Woo. Need a little boost, I see. A little height. Ooh, boy. Okay, so you didn't have to get the extra height, but it gives you a little bit of a speed boost there. Nowhere to ascend to, huh? Oh, unless. Aha! Neato. Very neato. Alright. We ascend once more. Aha! Excellent. Excellent. So fun. Can't get over how fun that is. Come along, bird. That's so useful. I love it. I should have come here way earlier. I've been just dicking around in this game so much. Haven't gone and done important story things that give me useful abilities. Oh, look at that. They've got a flying ship.
Hey.
Oh? What is that? Some kind of sky boat? It is a boat. Oh. Oh, there's many boats.
To me.
Spooky. Big boat. Oh, cool. That's so awesome. Cool. That's so cool. Oh yeah, Craft Lab. It's a good time. And like, despite the combat and stuff being the same and the map and stuff, it feels so different mechanically. Whoa, Nelly. Oh, we got a shrine. It's getting there. A shrine to make me feel smart. They always make me feel real smart when I'm done with them. Downward force. Oh, there's boats in the shrine, too. I'll take my arrow back, please. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. Got a boat. Oh my god. You scared me, sir. Huh. Oh. Oh boy. Gotta keep an eye out for a treasure chest, too. Oh, you know what? I bet it's up there. Always a dang chest in these shrines. Oh, can't make that. Can I make it from here, though? I definitely can. Come on, clamber up that ledge, Link. Ugh. Some arrows. Can never say no to that. I do have a lot of arrows, but whatever. Let's see, okay. What the heck? I'm bonking my head on the ceiling? Oh, I see, I see. Ha ha ha! I did it. Whee! Aha! I did it. I puzzled. I puzzled real good, Dad. Oh, 4. I can get more heart. More heart for me. Oh, Zodi devices, balloons. Let's keep on climbing, baby. Hello, Burb. Burb boy. gust. Woo, I love that sound. Do I have all the towers, Copenhagen? Not yet. I'm missing some around the edges. Yeah. And then that's how much of the depths I have mapped. Still so much left. Sword is so weird, the little light on the end. Oh my god. I wanted his parts, Tulin. You savage. There we go. Tulin, you gotta cool it with that. This crazy ass bird. Alright, this might require some ascending magics. No, not quite. Ah, I see. It's a little walk of shame you can do. Start over. Okay, up we go. Such a weird, gross sound when you're going, ascending through stuff. I love it. Okay, I just gotta get over there. Oh, Ecliptic Evader. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see cool places in this game. So many sights to see. Just when you think you've seen it all in Breath of the Wild. Finish the glyphs before going to the Master Sword. Oh yeah, somebody else has telling me to do that before too. But I think I've got some glyphs that I think I already just kind of know what's happening with the Master Sword and Zelda. So I think I'll be okay. And I want it. I'm so close, I just want it. And I also want a Korok. What? Tick-tock? Oh, I gotta get over there? Alright. Gust me, Tulin. That's a good gusting, my friend. Eef. Yeah. Haha, worth it. I only have 4 because I spent a lot of them recently. Oh, I gotta go all the way back again. Oh fuck, wrong button. Ah! Oh no. That's okay, there's a shrine up there. Woo! My thumb just smashed B down. And I just dropped like a rock. Alright, let's try that again. Thank you, fast travel. You saved me. You saved my again. What's that down there? A battery? Oh, it's just a Korok. Woo! Woo! I'll go this way this time. Solid approach, Copenhagen. Yeah, I've done that in a couple whoopsies when I've fallen off of a sky island or something. Boing. Yeah. Hey, who's shooting arrows at me? Ow! Oh my god, that almost killed me. No, that's not good. Well, that's yummy, huh, Link? Nice shot. Oh no. Oh, they're gone. Ooh, still climbing, huh? Oh. No? Do I gotta get higher? Can you take me higher to a place where blind men see? No? You dick. What if I move it? What about over here? Would you let me ascend then? You silly video game? Yes, I think so. Just looking for chests, maybe a hidden chest or two. Whoa. Cool. Oh. Oh, I almost jumped off the edge. Oh, wrong button. Oh, bye. Ooh, a gnarled thick stick. Just what I was looking for. Let's see, what might we attach to this thing? Stalnox Horde. Ew, it's got little chompy skeletons on it. I love that. Alright. The climb must continue. Oh, what's that? We got ice in our way. Oh, maybe we just gotta climb it. Oh, there's a chest over there. Oh shit. There we go. Whew. I'll take this, whatever you are. Portable pots. How useful. You know what? I'm just gonna spring myself up there. It's overkill, but up we go. Oh wow, that's like the perfect height too. Oh, I see. I was like, where do I go now? Okay. Woo! Wow, what a journey. Oh, it's just a weak little guy. I'll take those. Oh, there's a construct down there. I must fight it. Oh, it's on your foot, huh? Give me that. Ha! Gotcha. Got your Achilles. Oh yeah, I'm gonna whoop this thing's ass. Oh, this weapon's so strong. Show me what you have. Oh. Give me that. Get that out of my way. Yeah. Now you die. Ooh, yes. Such delightful goodies.